Hello! If your iPhone screen is frozen, not responding to touch, and you can't turn it off the normal way, this video will show you how to force restart it. This method works in most cases and takes less than a minute if you have an iPhone 8, iPhone X, iPhone 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, or a newer model. First, quickly press and release the volume up button. Then immediately press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button, even if it seems like it's not working. Don't let go, even if the screen stays black or the power off slider appears. Keep holding the button until you see the Apple logo. Once the logo appears, release the button and wait for your iPhone to finish restarting. If you have an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, press and hold both the volume down button and the power button at the same time. Keep holding them until the Apple logo appears, then release both buttons. For the iPhone 6 seconds, first generation iPhone SE, and older models, press and hold the home button and the power button together. When the Apple logo appears, release both buttons and wait for the device to finish booting up. If your iPhone is still frozen after the force restart, connect it to a charger for 20 to 30 minutes and try the process again. If that still doesn't work, the problem may be related to the software or hardware, and you may need to restore the device using a computer or contact an Apple Service Center. If this video helped bring your iPhone back to life, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. You'll find many more simple tutorials for iPhone and other smartphones here. Thanks for watching.